Hey everybody! First, let's check out the updates on the cabbage. The cabbage is doing so well. The leaves are so healthy.
Gonna stay in this moment. Gonna lay here.
That's the one. A few got attacked, but we fixed it. So even those are growing much better now. Look at that. Okay, look at that. Want to look at that? Okay. Okay, enough with the cabbage. Okay, let's get to harvesting. So before we start harvesting, let us check out what is going on. We're doing look, this was the attack. So it's not easy to grow plants and keep them like vegetables and keep them completely organic, because you still have those things that want to attack. But we have fixed the problem, so the next batch will be much better. But look at this queen right here. So nice. Oh, I love her. Okay, she's also not bad. She got eaten a little bit, but it's all good, still healthy. Okay, this is this section right here. Okay, Manelisi, come. Okay, Manelisi, take it away. Did I tell you guys it's Sunday morning? It's Sunday morning before church. Okay, Manelisi, take it away. Okay, this one is ruined. So these ones got damaged a little bit because there were things eating the leaves, but I basically just scouted them. They are small. I wish I can find one. They are small animals. They look like they're insect-like. They almost look like big ants, but they are dark brown. And when you feel them on your fingers, they are very hard. They've got a very hard shell. I wish it's possible to just get one so that I can show you. That's basically what was busy destroying my spinach. So these are nice and healthy leaves. They were not eaten. But we move. So now, because I know what the problem was, I came and just removed, like I didn't use any chemical, I just removed them physically, and I saw my spinach growing nicely again. So these, you can come closer, Manelisi, and zoom in and out. These are so nice, guys. Look at even the water on the leaves. Nothing beats the freshness that you experience. Cheers to the many harvests to come, because spinach really is a very giving vegetable in that, look at that. Are you zooming in and out?
Yeah.
What are you busy doing, Miles?
To give you.
Musa, Baba is calling you. Yeah, those insects are gone. This is why the new leaves are now doing much better. They actually hide here in between the stalks. I found them hiding there. I don't see any now because I just went on a hunt and I removed all of them. So I think okay, let me just stuff over there. Guys, please don't judge me. I'm still in my pajamas because I'm gonna bath.
It's morning.
Oh, slowly. Sorry, cameraman. I'm gonna bath once I now prepare for church. So it was not gonna make sense to bath just to and dress up just to harvest. This is so nice. It's so rewarding. Guys, try this. Gardening is so rewarding. It makes you feel so good inside to know that you can take care of plants, and plants are living things. You can take care of plants and they actually grow. And they grow because you nurture them. If you don't nurture them, they won't grow. This is now not useful. So these, okay. So my objective this year is to show you the wins as well as the challenges that the garden will pose. So when you see these holes right here, it means there's some infestation of some kind of an insect. So you just have to really scout. Like I said with the cabbage, it's important to scout. What I've discovered this year, those insects that I'm talking about, they hide in there. So, and they camouflage. So, and they are yo, I'm so lucky. So this is one of them. You see the color? Because it's so brown, ne? I wish you can just move so that you can see. There, it's alive, you see? So tell me, if you have brown sand, how would you know this is now not sand? See what I do, I'm sorry for those people who care for all types of animals. This is not useful in my garden, so I just pinch it and keep it going. So I'm just gonna go wash my hand now because I've done that. Wash my hand. I've washed my hand. We can now continue. That was a nice example. I was hoping that I would find one to show you guys, because a lot of theory. You see how they hide? There's another one. There's another one. See, it's moving. So a gardener must always scout for issues like this. So this time I'm not gonna use my hand. So meaning in my own time I'm gonna come and search for more here. It looks like there's a lot. See there, this plant I really missed. There's a lot. Okay, I think I got all of them. Okay, let's continue. So my garden, guys, the ecosystem is alive and well. How do you know? Look, this lettuce just grew randomly. I've got a lot of these examples where the plants will just grow. I don't know, you know, how the seeds just disperse everywhere, but there's been my experience in this garden That's why I call it the garden that keeps on going. See how healthy that is? So healthy leaves. Very healthy indeed. And what gives me the confidence is that I know exactly how this is grown. No chemicals out here. So when I feed this to my family, I really know that they're eating the best. And this is why I'm showing you the shortcomings, so that you'll understand where we're coming from. Okay? I think I'm just gonna continue harvesting now and not talk much, because we do have to go to church. We do have to go. I just wanna scout a little bit where I see leaf damage of some sort. I've been keeping sure. My husband has been wanting to harvest these for a while now, but I wanted to shoot this video for you guys because I realize sometimes I just harvest without showing you, which will be a disadvantage for me to show you when I'm starting the garden and not show you the harvest. It doesn't actually make sense. It doesn't make sense. Okay. It's already becoming a lot. A lot. Okay. See how the young leaves look like that? It means something is going on here. Ooh, I just saw one. It's this body over here. That's him. So What? Am I a killer now?
You see the blood, Mom?
That's not blood, it's just green stuff. So these, I'm almost gonna like trim them so that I facilitate new growth. Okay, Manilisi, we do have to hurry up because when we are here, time stops. I have to go. We have to go. I'm just gonna harvest like first big leaves from most of these to facilitate new growth. I will clean up these later on. I'll trim this one also to facilitate new growth. So I'll see if I have time, guys. I will show you my cream spinach. I'm not an expert in cooking, but I try my best. So, and my family are very gracious. They eat whatever I put in front of them. So, let's see there. No, nothing. Okay, we are almost done. Almost done. The morning is the best time to harvest because the plants are so much, the leaves are so scrumptious, full of water. See, this is the young leaf, but it's got that tells me that someone is busy. Someone is very much busy. Yep, there is someone in there. There's a someone. There is lying facing up. Let's see if there's more. Yes, there's more. So these are the insects I was talking about. They look like, ugh, I don't know what they are called. Beetles? I don't know. I actually don't know. I must look it up. You see by if the small leaves are being eaten, because the small leaves are the closest to the ground, so they get exposed first. Okay. So I'll harvest these to facilitate new growth. So it means those beetles, I just gave them food. So they were sitting here waiting for food. Here I am providing them with food, and they are very happy now. These ones also, these are very young, but they show signs of something going on. Okay. Doesn't look like there's any right now. I think it's the ones that I removed the other day. So every week, guys, if you can, just inspect what's going on in your garden. You'll never regret it. Actually, you'll thank yourself for it. So this one, how it looks, it really tells a story. Look there. Okay, I don't see anything right now. I think it's part of those ones that I removed recently, so the damage was already done. Yeah, no, I don't see anything. So I'll just remove these to facilitate new growth. Those are just beetles. It doesn't mean you can't eat, the leaves. There's nothing wrong with the leaves. We just wash them. But I'll prefer not to harvest this. Okay, I think that's it. Yeah, so what's gonna happen now, if we have time, we'll shoot the cream spinach that comes from this batch. This is our first official harvest spinach 2024. Thank you so much for getting to this part of the video, which is the end. Thank you for your support. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, of course. Until the next one.